Embarking on a new project management system like Scoro can feel like setting sail on a vast ocean. The promise of streamlined workflows, enhanced collaboration, and data-driven insights is alluring, but the journey itself can be fraught with challenges if not navigated carefully. As a project management expert, I understand that a successful Scoro implementation isn't just about installing software. It's about empowering your team to embrace a new way of working. This video serves as your compass and navigation tools, guiding you through the essential steps to ensure a smooth and successful Scoro implementation for your team. We'll break down the process into manageable stages, using simple language and relatable analogies to make it easy for anyone, regardless of their technical expertise, to understand and apply these principles. 1. Charting your course, defining your needs and goals. Before even considering the technical aspects of Scoro, the first crucial step is to clearly define why you're implementing it and what you hope to achieve. This is akin to charting your course before setting sail. Without a clear destination, you risk drifting aimlessly. Identify your pain points. What are the current challenges your team faces? Is it inefficient task management, lack of visibility into project progress, difficulties in tracking time and billing, or fragmented communication? Understanding these pain points will help you tailor Scoro's features to address your specific needs. Define measurable goals. What specific improvements do you expect to see after implementing Scoro? These goals should be smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. For example, instead of saying improve project management, aim for reduce project completion time by 15% within 3 months. Involve your team. Don't make this a top-down decision. Engage your team in the process from the beginning. Their insights into daily challenges and their buy-in are crucial for a successful adoption. Conduct workshops or surveys to gather their input on desired features and functionalities. 2. Assembling your crew, building your implementation team. A successful voyage requires a skilled and dedicated crew. Similarly, your Scoro implementation needs a well-defined team with clear roles and responsibilities. Identify a project lead. This person will be the captain of your ship, responsible for overseeing the entire implementation process, coordinating tasks, and ensuring everyone stays on track. They should be organized, communicative, and have a good understanding of your team's workflows. Involve key stakeholders. Include representatives from different departments or teams who will be using Scoro. This ensures that diverse needs are considered and fosters a sense of ownership across the organization. Consider a Scoro champion. Identify individuals within your team who are enthusiastic about the new system and can act as internal advocates and first-line support for their colleagues. 3. Mapping the territory, planning and configuration. Once you have your goals and team in place, it's time to map out the implementation process. This involves careful planning and configuration of Scoro to align with your specific requirements. Develop a detailed project plan. Outline the different stages of the implementation, including data migration, user training, testing, and go-live. Assign timelines and responsibilities for each task. Data migration strategy. How will you transfer your existing data into Scoro? This is a critical step that requires careful planning to ensure accuracy and avoid data loss. Decide what data needs to be migrated, how it will be cleaned and formatted, and who will be responsible for this task. Customize Scoro to your needs. Scoro offers a wide range of features and customization options. Work with your implementation team and, if necessary, Scoro's support team to configure the system to match your specific workflows, project types, reporting requirements, and user roles. This might involve setting up custom fields, pipelines, and automation rules. 4. Equipping your sailors, training and onboarding. Even the most skilled sailors need to learn the specifics of a new vessel. Comprehensive training is essential to ensure your team can effectively use Scoro. Develop a training plan. Create a structured training program that covers the core functionalities of Scoro relevant to different user roles. Consider different learning styles by offering a mix of live sessions, video tutorials, and written documentation. Role-based training. Tailor training sessions to the specific needs of different teams or individuals. For example, Project managers will need in-depth training on project planning and resource allocation, while sales teams will focus on CRM and opportunity management features. Hands-on practice. Encourage your team to actively use the system in a training environment with realistic scenarios. This allows them to apply what they've learned and identify any areas where they need further assistance. Ongoing support and resources. Provide continuous support after the initial training. This could include creating internal knowledge bases, assigning Scoro champions to answer questions, and scheduling follow-up training sessions as needed.